Hi everyone, and welcome to this video tutorial series on creating an ambitious EmberJS web application. My name is Sean Goresh, and in this tutorial series I'd like to show you how you can quickly scaffold out a new web application using the EmberJS framework. If you're new to web development, or if you haven't heard of the framework before, go to emberjs.com and learn more about the framework. This is just a tool you can use to build a website, or an application in this case, that's interactive with the user and allows many aspects that you wouldn't normally find in web applications, or are usually quite difficult to implement and can be implemented somewhat easier in Ember, depending on the way you see it. You may have heard of frameworks before, like Backbone, AngularJS, and jQuery. They all perform essentially the same task in the sense that they help the developer to simplify the programming of different tasks on the browser. EmberJS is no different, except that it sort of extends jQuery, so it gives you an extra layer on top of your application to perform actions and to group your logic for your application. In the process of this series, I'll start by showing you how you can bootstrap your application, how you can use Ember CLI, which, as you can see right here, is the tool that is now being used as Ember's default tool. And I'll be showing you how you can actually leverage the computed properties in models. We'll talk about models, views, controllers, and then we'll move on to the new syntax, which will be used in Ember 2.0, which is just controllers, a controller as syntax. We can take a look at that briefly. And finally, I'd like to, as you go along, we will be doing test-driven development, and finally we'll take a look at some of the other tools that we can use to extend EmberJS, such as add-ons. Ultimately, I'd like to show you how to build an event management system, so we'll be doing that throughout this tutorial series. You can find a link at the bottom of this video once this tutorial series is completed, and you'll be able to see the final result of the entire tutorial series to see if you'd like to follow along. So hopefully you're ready to get started, and let's go.